Hi everyone, it's Christy. I'm back again. I have another unboxing today. This is the Love in Faith box. I've never gotten this before. And these are I'm not sponsored by these companies. I just want you to know I pay for these kits. So I just want to share them with you because I think they're fun. And I may or may not continue to subscribe to them, but if I feel that it's of worth and it's helpful, then I may. So from time to time, I will come and share an unboxing with you. I haven't done a lot of shopping lately, so mail order it is. This was something I saw come up on Facebook. I have purchased from Love and Faith in the past. I bought masks from them for my sister when COVID first started, because she works with the public, and I thought it's a great word. So anyway, this is called the Bible box, and I have no idea. Well, I do have an idea. I know there's a t-shirt in here. So let's open it up. Okay, so right away the top of the lid has a lot of things, and this is very tough corrugated, and yeah, those are quite cute. And what I'm loving about this box, I can cut all these out, but look at the color of the inside of this box. And here is a bookmark, kind of shiny. Love it. Right now I'm going through for this year, instead of doing like the one-year Bible or just random studies, I'm following Tim LaHaye's How to Study the Bible for Yourself. I think that's what it's called. And so reading through 1 John several times, then reading James, and reading other books multiple times and studying them. So I can never have enough bookmarks in my Bible, so that's great. Love it. All right, here's one that says XOXO, the original love letters. Awesome. I might need to stand up, make sure you guys aren't getting a glare. There we go. Love that. Okay, here's an envelope. Okay, so that goes with this card, I'm assumed. Loved, Romans 5:8. Blank inside. Oh, how pretty is that? Watercolor hearts. Big brush. Love it. Okay, here is Love and Faith 30 Devotions on Loving Others. Oh, cool. That's fun, with writing space on the side. Oh, I like that. And it has little sayings on the bottom right of each page. Right up my alley. Yeah, I like that. Okay, and then here's my shirt. I love this color, pink. My sister has a shirt this color, but this one has a different sentiment on it. So it says, just pray. And I love that. Very rustic. I don't know if you can tell. Not hot pink, but kind of a, cross between a burgundy and pink. So I do like that. Very, very cool. So that's fun. I will put the information below if you're interested in checking out the Bible box. Looks like it comes with a devotional for the month. It comes with a card and a bookmark and a sticker, and then yeah, so if you're interested, check it out. I'm not getting anything for recommending it to you, but I want to say I paid $12. I think it was a special offer where the box was $5 and I paid shipping, so it was like $12 out the door. $12 for a t-shirt, great price for me. So, and the Bible study, I would have paid $12 just for the Bible study, so or the devotional, sorry. So anyway, I thank you for watching, and I'll be back with some journal videos. See you soon. Bye now.